I mean, it doesn't look bad. It's not like it fell. Welcome back to Tubby Time. I hope you are all doing well. As you can see here, we have actually not a lot of ingredients because today we are making angel food cake. It's actually not that difficult, or at least that's what the recipe seems like. We will find that out. The reason I chose to do angel food cake today is because Josh's mom gave us this weird bowl that you apparently make angel food cake with. So we're just gonna try it out, see how it goes. We are going to start off with beating the egg whites to form stiff peaks. Now the recipe calls for 1.5 cups of egg whites, which equals out to 12 eggs. I have a bowl here and a container only because I want to save the yolks. If you didn't want to save the yolks, then you could just throw it away. You gonna take me doing all these? In case I mess one up?
Yes, pretty much.
You give me a spoon. Thank you. I don't know what to do.
Did you get an egg in there?
I just got some of the yolk.
Oh my god. What in the world did you do?
Oh no.
Throw it out.
No.
Start over. Nice.
Oh no!
That was awesome.
Oh my god.
You got it. Yeah, it's hot.
For some reason, that was extremely difficult for me.
Drink it!
Now we can beat this until stiff peaks form.
Those aren't stiff.
No. Better though. Do you consider that a stiff peak?
Sure.
You think? I'm glad I used a medium-sized bowl. I was thinking just using a small bowl because they're only egg whites, but
Well, when you get stiff, it expands.
obviously.
It's the general rule of thumb. Eggs are growers, not showers.
We're going to use a teaspoon of cream of tartar and then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and almond extract. Oh, the almond extract smells really good. And the recipe doesn't specify to mix it all in together, so I'm just going to beat it in together. I'm just going to set that off to the side, and now we can sift our dry ingredients together. Going to start off with the salt, then we'll add the sugar. And next we're going to add the flour. The recipe does call for cake flour, and all I have is all-purpose flour. So I looked it up online, and you can actually make cake flour by all-purpose flour and something else. Cornstarch, which we have somewhere. right here. So in order to make cake flour, you need 1¼ cups of it for the recipe. With all-purpose flour and cornstarch, you use your, this is not a cup, you use your cup, you put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in the bottom, and then you just fill the rest of the cup up with the flour. The recipe says you're supposed to sift this more than once, so I'm gonna get another bowl and just do it over again.
Can't see anything going wrong there.
What would go wrong?
I don't know that you're dumping it over the side.
Just a little bit.
And you complain when I sit.
We'll do it one more time. Now we are going to gently combine the egg whites with the dry ingredients. I don't know how gentle I have to be. I'm just folding the mixture in. I feel like that's the gentlest way I know how to mix them together, instead of just stirring really hard. I hope I'm not overmixing it. I really don't know how it's supposed to look. Seems to be all combined. So maybe that's just it. So now we have our weird pan here. I'm not sure if this is supposed to go on top like this, or it's supposed to go on the bottom. This doesn't make too much sense because then there's a space in between, and it says have it ungreased. So we're just gonna pour it right in. We'll keep a cookie tray underneath it in case it does leak. Okay, so we're just gonna put this in the oven. So I'm gonna put this on the top rack. I'm gonna put a cookie sheet on the bottom just in case we have some spillage. And as you can see, I didn't turn the oven on, I didn't heat it up. It tells you to put it in the oven before turning it on. Once it's in the oven, we can turn it on to 325, and we're gonna keep that in for 1 hour. Did the knife test? Came out clean. I don't know if you're able to do a knife test with what is this cake called?
Angel food.
Yes. Got a little color on the top. We'll say it's done. And there was a little bit of spillage, but not too bad. And we have the cookie sheet there. All right.
Yeah, so we'll just move this out of the way.
It looks nice. I don't know if I should take it out or let it sit for a minute. Maybe I should just go around the edges with the knife. I don't know why you're supposed to use an ungreased sheet. It would have made it easier to take out. It smells good. Or maybe, could we pop it out? Woo! That's how it looks.
I don't know.
I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It's not like it fell. Oh, man.
Oh my god, just give me a fucking...
Ah! Oh!
Great.
here we have our finished product of angel food cake. I am really happy with how it turned out. It looks great in the center. I cut a slice out, added some Cool Whip and strawberries. It looks really good. It smells really good. I am happily surprised that only a little bit of vanilla and almond extract just like makes it smell so good. Slight problem, it did stick. As you can see, there's cake all around here. So I had to shove the knife in it quite a bit to loosen it up. I can only assume this is because we didn't grease this prior, but I don't know why the recipe told me not to, so I think I have to look it up for next time. But it still worked out. And fun fact, this was actually Josh's grandmother's, so I was able to use it and make an angel food cake, which is pretty awesome. So, without further ado, let's taste our finished product after it's been cooled with a little bit of Cool Whip. You got it?
No, I got it.
And strawberries.
And I ruined it.
What do you think?
I like it. The Cool Whip's good, because Cool Whip is amazing. If you're one of those whipped cream people, no, stop. I love Cool Whip. Or like the really good whipped cream. What's that from Starbucks they have? I love their whipped cream.
Alright, don't focus on the whipped cream.
That was warmer with milk. That's good.
Yeah. I mean, we only let it cool for 15-20 minutes, so it'll be sitting out. It'll cool longer.
So I just talked to my mother about why you need a special pan. She hasn't used it ever because my mom doesn't cook, but she said that she believes it's something with the airflow. I don't understand that. I don't know why you can just use a regular pan and grease it. Or why you couldn't grease that one, like Kayla said. It's weird.
I have to look that up.
It came out nice, and I don't remember, when I was a kid, my grandmother used to use that all the time. I don't remember what she did or why or how, so.
I guess maybe next time I could use parchment paper.
Maybe.
It's not grease. That's really good though, I like it. And not a lot of ingredients. Pretty simple actually.
Yeah. Great dessert for if you don't want to feel like a piece of shit the next day. You can eat a whole one of these and be fine.
Yeah.
I've done it.
Yeah, it's good. Well, thank you guys for watching another episode with us. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and visit our site next time when we wing another recipe for you.
It's a channel. It's not a site.
It's our channel.
God.
Visit our channel next time when we wing another recipe for you.